Ready to revolutionize the kitchen? The best air fryers are completely changing your cooking habits. Using much less oil than traditional frying, you can prepare healthier and equally delicious meals. What's more, they heat up faster than standard ovens and cook your food in a fraction of the time, saving you both time and energy bills. So, what are the best air fryers of 2025? Let's discover together. Number 5. Ultenic K10 Smart Air Fryer. It's a medium-sized 5.3-liter air fryer that doesn't take up too much counter space. The black glossy exterior features gold accents on the handle and logo. The countertop appearance is uncluttered and very simple. It's not too bulky to move in and out when you need it. With 11 different cooking modes, you can effortlessly prepare a wide range of recipes such as French fries, chicken, fish, steaks, vegetables, and even cakes. 360-degree hot air circulation ensures food cooks evenly, leaving it crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. And with very little oil, you can use up to 85% less fat than conventional frying. A gentle beep in the middle of cooking means you won't forget to shake or turn the food mid-cook. Wi-Fi connectivity means it can be controlled remotely via a smartphone app. You can also manage it with voice commands thanks to Alexa and Google Assistant integration. It's a great air fryer that performs well, and since it's usually on sale, you can buy it at an affordable price. Number 4. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. With an internal volume of 5.5 liters, it can cook up to 3 kilograms of French fries or a whole chicken at a time. An ideal option for large families and frequent guests. There are 7 cooking functions that change the balance of the upper and lower heating elements. It has more presets for different cooking methods and a higher maximum temperature that you can use with the Max Crisp and Air Broil modes. With 1,750 watts of cooking power, it can cook recipes faster than many other air fryers and will leave all foods evenly cooked and crispy. It delivers the same flavor with 75% less oil than traditional frying. With temperatures up to degrees Fahrenheit, it makes the outside of food ultra crispy while keeping the inside juicy. The ceramic-coated basket is dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. It also received top marks in all areas for ease of use thanks to its intuitive, easy-to-read buttons and clear and convenient user manual. Number 3. Instant Vortex Plus 6 in 1. It stands out for its versatile cooking capabilities and practical use. It features a transparent window over the drawer-style basket. When the interior light is on, you get a clear and useful view of exactly what's going on inside the air fryer. Combining multiple functions such as frying, baking, grilling, reheating, dehydrating, and roasting in one appliance, this model saves both time and energy. The 5.7-liter internal volume is suitable for preparing large portions. The air fryer does not come with a recipe booklet. Instead, you need to go online or use the Instant app for your smartphone or tablet for inspiration. OdourErase technology does a good job of preventing food odors from escaping, produces super crispy fries in 12 minutes. Digital and dial controls are intuitive, and the temperature is mostly accurate. Number 2. Hobbs Satisfry Dual Basket. It stands out by offering the ability to cook 2 different dishes at the same time, thanks to its dual compartment construction. It has one of the most stylish air fryer designs on the market. It is matte black with stylish champagne accents, so it will complement a contemporary kitchen well. This air fryer features 9 presets: steak, French fries, chicken, fish, pizza, drying, baking, vegetables, and reheat. It has 10 different cooking functions. 2 separate 4-liter baskets allow you to cook different foods simultaneously at different temperatures and times, so you can prepare a main course and side dish in one go. The temperature setting of up to 220 degrees Celsius and powerful air circulation means it cooks 50% faster than conventional ovens. The baskets are easy to wash, requiring a simple wipe down before hand washing both baskets and crispy plates. Number 1. Ninja Double Stack. A unique model that offers powerful cooking performance while saving space in the kitchen with its vertical design. Thanks to its double-layer structure, it takes up less space than traditional dual-compartment air fryers, but has the capacity to cook 2 different dishes at the same time. 2 separate 4.5-liter compartments allow you to cook different dishes at different temperatures and times. The upper and lower basket can operate independently, so you can save time by cooking different types of food at the same time. The air fryer offers a wide range of uses with modes for frying, roasting, baking, dehydrating, reheating, and keeping warm. From roast to baked recipes, dried fruits to meat dishes, it offers a wide range of cooking options. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and write your favorite in the comments. See you in the next video.